So very briefly, these are my water tanks. This one here is our gray tank. This one is our freshwater. I've got just a couple of little quick disconnects that you can just use for like a garden hose. And then this 3/4 inch PVC, or sorry, vinyl hose, and then that just connects over here into the bottom of the pump. This is actually like a little filter to protect the pump. That's a pretty cheap part. You'll probably want to get that too. I think that's like $10, whereas if something gets inside of your pump, that's a bit more pricey. But that just connects there. That's another like garden hose part. This is a little PVC adapter I had to sort of downsize. This was a 3/4 inch, and this was a 1/2 inch. So I just needed to find a little adapter for that. And then this connects directly to the pump. Pump connects to the hose for the sink, and then I just ran that up through there, and then it just connects underneath there. One more thing, I had to get this little piece. It's like a little valve, and that prevents water from coming back out of the hose for the hot water. So if you accidentally turn the water on to the red there, without that part, the water would just sort of flow freely. So you need a shut off valve. Hope that helps.